Hello everyone,
Hello.
we're Team Shabirakbari for those of you who are new. Today is 1st of March and we decided to make this video and share something with you guys. And what we want to share, today we had a mastermind as a group and we asked ourselves what we have achieved in the past 2 months, month of January and month of February. And today is 1st of March, 2 months of 2020 is gone. And I would like to ask Sahar what she has done in the past 2 months. Sahar, what you have done in the past 2 months?
Besides everything, reading books and working on myself, the biggest achievement in my life was we were on the stage in Gold Coast among the amazing community and with my team members. Okay,
you say that's a big achievement. Well done. Samir, what was your achievement like the past 2 months? What you have done? Personally developing yourself. Excellent. Yeah. And how you feel now, like 2 months gone, month of January and February is gone, and it's now 1st of March. How you feel like, 2 months gone? Was it wasted?
No, I feel great because I've achieved something.
Excellent. Beautiful. You see, it's very important. Like we did this mastermind today, this morning, and we were talking about it, and that's what we decided to share with you lovely people. But what is important? The time goes so quick. We all get 24 hours. And it's up to every individual of us how we use that time. Some of us say, I'm too busy. You see, if you're busy, we're busy. But you get that 24 hours, we get that 24 hours. But we manage our time, what we need to do. As Sahar just mentioned, last week we were in Gold Coast, and as a team, we gone on the stage and we shared our journey, where we were 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, and where we are now. And we have inspired other people because as a team, we achieved something. And I want to ask Massi something. Massi, together we're what?
Stronger.
Excellent. Together we're stronger. As a family, we all have families, brothers, sisters, father, mother, kids. So what we need to do, to get together, to work together as a team, to achieve things. But now we're sitting here and we're talking on this camera. We're feeling good. We're feeling proud because we've been reading books. We've been working on our business to develop, to build something for our future, and we're feeling good. And ask yourself, you might watch this video now and it's 1st of March or wherever you are in the world, maybe you're still on the 29th of February, but even if you watch this video later in months time, 2 months, 3 months time, ask yourself from that time when you watch this video, think of the past 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, whenever you watch this video, what you have done in your life until now that you're watching this video. Are you happy? Are you satisfied? Have you done something in the past 3 months or 6 months, whatever it has been for you? Do you feel good? Do you feel that you have achieved something? Have you changed as a person, like personally? As a father, as a mother, if you're a woman, or as a brother, sister, as a father? Like, ask yourself that question. It's so important because we don't know most of the time. We just waiting for the Friday to come. We get excited, this is weekend, and then Sunday evening comes, we get really disappointed. We just get miserable and we start stressing that now I have to go to the job on Monday because I don't want to go. I don't want to see the people to work with. Ask yourself. If you're not happy with what you do now, that Monday to Friday, ask yourself, what do you need to do? You need to make changes because there's one chance in this life. There's one chance. Let's not waste it. And I really want to share a story here, a quick story that we went to our friend's house today. Like as a team we went there to go and visit them. But we found out something and we didn't know. Massi, please. We didn't know about something and they just revealed it to us. One of their family members were at the hospital for 3 days. Because this person from this family, I don't want to reveal it here because they're watching this video. But I told them that I'm going to share this on the video, but I'm not going to mention the name. So they were at the hospital for 3 days. But what was important, what was shocking to us when they told us this story, this person is working Monday to Friday. This person gone to the boss on Friday evening and said to the boss, I need an annual leave because I feel sick and I feel really bad inside me, something is wrong, I want to go to the doctor. And here's the response from the boss. The boss told this person, listen, there is 2 other employees already asked that they want to go for annual leave. And the boss also say that the boss's responsibility, the boss been told by the hierarchy that do not allow more than 2 persons to go on annual leave at the same time. You see? What is the story here? This person is asking from a boss if I can go to the hospital, if I can go to save my life. Think deeply. Is that living? Is that a life that we're living? To ask from someone else to give us, for example, I go to someone and ask for permission if I can go to the hospital, that I can get treatment and I survive. For my survivor, I go and ask someone else for permission. Is that living? And this person had nothing else to do. And the boss said, okay, if you really want to go because you think you're sick, go and bring a doctor's certificate. You go and get a paper from a doctor to bring to your boss to give you permission that you can go to the doctor or go to the hospital, that you can survive because you got sickness, you're sick. That's not living. We get one chance in this life. And this person, this family friend, end up being in the hospital for 3 days. End up going to the emergency. You see, this person could have died. But going and asking the boss to give me the permission, that I can go to the doctor, that's not living. Think deeply. You're watching this video. If you're in that position, ask yourself, is that living? To go ask your boss for what time you can go have lunch. Ask your boss that you have to be on time at work and you have to finish on time. Ask your boss if you can go for a holiday. And then you have to come back quick, because if you don't come back on time back to work, you will lose the job. And some people working for 5, 10, 15, 20 years, and then they end up getting sacked from that job because the boss will come and say, hey, I'm downsizing, I can't have those many employees, and we don't want you no longer. You get devastated. And then what do you need to do? Because you need to pay the bills, you need to pay the mortgages, you need to feed your family, feed yourself. And what you need to do? You need to start from zero again and then build up again and go and find another job. That's important, yeah? I hope this story resonates with you, because today I got shocked when I heard this story from a family friend. Because this person could have died, but had to go to a boss and ask for permission if I can go to the doctor. And it's gone 4 weeks now. It's gone 4 weeks. This person still hasn't been able to go back to the job because still sick, still at home. Let's ask ourselves, how long are we going to do this? This life is not about to go to the job Monday to Friday, make money, pay the bills, pay the mortgage and die. This life is about adventure. This life is about being with each other, being with the loved ones, having and spending quality time with the families. This job is not for me to go Monday to Friday. I don't have time to be with my sons. 2.5 years ago, I was one of those people. But I have changed it. Because there's so much thing available out there. There's two things that stop us that we don't do. Number one, fear. If I start something new, what if I fail? But remember, if you don't fail, you never grow. You never achieve something. And the second reason that we don't do something in our lives, the comfort zone. Comfort zone of going Monday to Friday, like a rat race. What is the end of it? From today, now you're watching this video, in a one year, in a 3 years, and a 5 years time, where you gonna be? Who you gonna be? It's 1st of March, today, the past 2 months gone, 2020, what you have done. But that's okay. Here's my advice. It's okay. Start from today. Go find out what else you can do that you can have freedom of time, geographical freedom, that you can go places, you can see places. You don't have to be stuck in one job. I would love to help you. If you're one of those people you say enough is enough, yes, this story resonates with me, I'm in that situation, write a comment in this video. Or go to my website. I'm going to put a link in here. And it says, if you need more information, click on that link. And I will be happy to help you. Or go to my website, teamshabirakbari.com. The purpose of my life is to give and help. Because what I'm talking about, I was in the situation 3 years ago. But I have changed it. I asked myself, how long am I going to do that? It was the day when I came home and I looked at these two boys beside me. They just walked away. I cried. And I said to myself, they don't know me. What's going to happen? They grow up without me being with them. And they don't know their father. Because father is too much involved with their rat race. Achieving someone else's goal. Going Monday to Friday. And I promised myself from that time. I said, never again. I got to find something. Was it easy? No. Possible? Yes. Anything is possible. Because everything is available to all of us. All we need to do to go after it and to do it. Willing to put time and effort and energy behind it. Because it's not going to happen overnight. Our life is changed. It didn't happen overnight. 2.5 years and we're still working. We're still doing it. Because it's not about the destination. It's about the journey. And we are in that journey. Thank you guys. Be happy. Live with passion. Enjoy your life. We really wanted to share this story with you. And it does resonate with you. If you are that person that you're hungry, that you want to do something but you don't know what to do, get in touch with me and I would love to help you. I would love to help you and guide you through step by step where I started, how I changed my life, and I can help you with that as well. Thank you and bye for now. Take action, please.
Bye.